Probation and its role in criminal justice, agencies, officers, cases. Probation and the initial implementation of the practice. The father of probation is the term used to refer to the man who originally introduced the practice of probation. This man was John Augustus, an American philanthropist and social reformer. In 1841, he proposed the idea of probation as an alternative to imprisonment for certain criminals. The idea behind probation is to give the criminal a chance to reform and reintegrate into society. Instead of sending him or her to prison, the court can order probation, which involves control and supervision by the probation service. The impact of probation on jail and prison systems. Probation plays an important role in the country's prison and jail systems. It helps to reduce prison overcrowding and court caseloads and provides offenders with an opportunity for rehabilitation and re-entry into society. In addition, probation may be a more effective alternative for some offenders, especially those who have committed non-serious offenses or are in conflict with the law for the first time. Organizational structures of probation agencies. Probation agencies can be organized in different ways in different countries. In some cases, the probation service may be part of the justice system, while in others, it may be an independent agency. Probation authorities must be properly organized and have the necessary resources to carry out their functions effectively. The importance of the pre-sentence investigation report. The pre-sentence investigation report is important in the probation process. This report contains information about the offender, his or her family situation, and drug or alcohol abuse problems and offers recommendations for the imposition of appropriate probation measures. This report assists the court in making an informed decision about assigning probation and determining the terms and conditions of probation. Qualifications and characteristics of probation officers. The qualifications and characteristics of probation officers may vary from country to country and jurisdiction to jurisdiction. However, most probation officers should have a good understanding of the justice system, have skills in working with offenders, and have experience in rehabilitation. They must also be empathic and patient and be able to communicate effectively with a variety of people. The significance of Morrissey v. Brewer and Gagnon v. Scarpelli. The decisions in Morrissey v. Brewer and Gagnon v. Scarpelli are significant in the development of probation as an alternative to incarceration. In these decisions, the courts concluded that probation should be considered an effective and fair alternative for some offenders. These decisions solidified the principles of probation and fostered its development in the United States and other countries.